Alpine Pat here, Monday, May 22nd. You know, we have opening days here at Alpine Valley, like the winter season for the ski and snowboard season, or the golfing season, the opening day to the golf course opens, or opening day for the mountain bike trail. Well, we can add a fourth to that list. Opening day of the disc golf season. Inaugural, first time. This is it, a debut, opening day. Of course, we've had about 25 disc golfers out here today so far. It's approximately about 4 o'clock. So I see a couple more people coming out and checking in. But I'll tell you, this course is challenging. Yeah, you can go to a county park and look out over the vast cut grass and see 10 to 12 baskets and not get any trouble. But I'll tell you, this course will challenge your disc skills. It's such a pretty course too. Actually, I'm on hole number 6, a par 3, only 170 footer, you know, dog leg left, blind basket. I tell you, I usually have this hole in my back pocket. I came out here last week and tinkered around a little bit, but what you do, you launch one over here. I tell you, we got Mother Nature obstacles and man-made. We got ski lift cables there. We got a couple of ski lift chairs there. If you really want to lock that disc in a blind left basket. Otherwise, I tell you, it's tough. This course is tough, and I'll tell you, so impressed with it, you know. And we offer a season pass card right here, unlimited disc golf for a season pass disc golf card. I believe it's 75 bucks. That's a steal. But I'll tell you, you got to come out here and check this place out. This is, I tell you, you will be not disappointed. And we're looking for suggestions. We would like more foot traffic. We need people to come out to get these paths established. And it's going to be one of a kind. But hope to see you soon. Memorial Day this weekend. Yeah! Booyah! I'm ready?
Yeah.
All right.
You're rolling.
Oh, again, opening day of the disc golf course here at Alpine Valley. And we got some golfers here taking it in. We're actually on hole number 5 now. So they got 4 holes behind their belt. What do you guys think? What do you think of the course so far?
It's I like unique. The elevation.
Okay.
Yeah. It's uphill, downhill, like this is uphill. So it kills it way quicker than you think. But even this one way they played, that's awesome. The downhill, it just comes back.
It's definitely more than just a one-shot course. So like a lot of the courses around here, you're shooting the same shot for every 18 holes, and so far, all 5 have been complete different shots for us, and that's.
It's even elevation. It gets kind of boring.
The elevation is so cool.
Every time you come back here, it's going to be different with different wind changes.
Different wind changes too, uphill, downhill.
That's the variety. That's for sure.
Where a lot of you could take 4 discs and you know exactly what disc is throwing on every hole. And this one, there's going to be a lot of variation.
Go from -7 to +7 real quick.
But yeah, overall so far we're having a great time. It's awesome, and we know there's a lot more improvements that got to happen. But people got to come with an open mind and just have fun here the first week, because it's. I mean,
that's right. People got to give feedback. If there's no feedback, you complain online, it's not changing.
Come play it,
make
have
suggestions, and go from there.
It's awesome so far though. So we're having a really good time.
Thank you.
Right here, and these guys are not being paid.
No, we paid.
All right, thanks.
Yeah, of course.
How's it going?